adult female human. People around and change the human race for good, as well as a companion for and the only tool for of this entity that I get about it. Express this in a very form by associating myself that truly represent to you this beautiful Onyi. Questions are the necessary is a true representative. Let me introduce to you this beautiful. Please marry me.
Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
I love you.
Yes. 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 Oh my God. I love you. Baby, I'm here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I will. Come here, baby. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
I love you.
Oh my God.
Darling, take it easy, okay? All right.
My guy.
Ekubo, my man, how are you?
Hello.
I hope those kids are not stressing you.
Don't mind those gambolistic non-neclitos. I cannot be flabbergasted by the fabulousness. Oh, yes.
Okay. Safe.
What now? Yeah, back. How business?
But our business slow. It's slow, well. But this economy for this dollar, we don't understand the economy again, though.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't sign me?
are you so lost in a certain anatomical fragment of another man's wife when your bogus and enlamous blood brother is standing right here with you?
Let's go, sir.
And I'm so glad I made it back to Nigeria for you.
Thank you for moving back because of me.
Come over. You know that's the least I can do for the sake of our love. Remember, true love knows no boundaries.
That's true. And also thank you for accepting to marry me.
Oh. And thank you so much for choosing me to be your shining star among all the stars in the sky.
My pleasure, darling. I can't wait for our wedding day.
I can imagine. Oh my God. Stop it. Stop it.
I don't know what to do. Like, seriously, I don't know what to do.
Dossier, Onyi Boshi. You should be speaking from the Playerpedia. But you see, you are digging the hole even deeper, and it can only get worse for you.
Listen, what were you thinking when you engaged them all?
Brother, I don't know, pressure, man. I was under so much pressure.
Pressure? You succumb so easily to pressure. Listen, you are a man, come on. You have to be strong.
Hey! Don't even go there. Don't say that thing you're about to say, because you were the one who gave me that same advice, and now I've followed your advice, and you're here saying rubbish like, oh, why did you succumb? I'm not a man. Don't even try it.
And therefore, you followed my advice literally. Now, it's all my fault.
Huh? My fairly used friends, calm down. Let us not start dropping blames. Let's find solutions.
Don't mind this player that gave me advice without a solution.
Let's see how it goes.
Debola to the rescue. I think what we need to do here is, stop Shebe. Get angry over the flimsiest things, Babe.
That's so. And once the food comes late, provoke.
You are seeing the light.
I think I get it now. Look, if I get upset over the flimsiest things, they will get angry and go.
You get it.
That's how players roll.
Shit. He's speaking from the Playerpedia.
Yes.
That kind of thing.
You done. Boomba. You want to go?
Yes, baby.
Come. I said come here. What is this?
What is what?
Why is my food not on the table? Huh? I told you I was coming back for lunch. My food is not on the table. I am sick and tired of your lazy hands today. I can't. If it's sex now, baby, turn me like this. Oh, baby, carry me like this. Oh, baby, give it to me hard. Ordinary food you cannot put on the table, baby.
You came up 1 hour before time. Besides, food is almost ready. Just relax. I will.
Shut up! Almost ready is not ready. I told you I'll be back by lunch. The food should be on the table before lunch. You're there walking up and down like with no result.
Oh, baby, okay, fine. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll put it on the table.
On which table? Come here. Which table? With this dirty, is this what you do? What is it? If I smash your head with this plate now, you know what? I'm leaving this house to go and eat somewhere else. In 7 minutes, if I come back, let me see you in this house again. Go and carry your bag. 7 minutes. If I come back to this house and see you, so you see my red eye.
Baby.
Get back to where you're coming from, you shit. I still get back. Who's your baby?
What are you talking about?
You think I don't know all what you've been doing behind my back? Yes, you. I have pictures to prove, photo evidence, but I'll save it for Judgment Day.
What are you talking about? Are you okay?
Hey, it is you and those men that you're cheating on me with that are not okay. You hear me? It is you. Cheats.
Me? Cheating on you?
Yes.
No, that's not true. Baby, I can swear with my life. I have never kissed any other man ever since the day I set my eyes on you.
You can swear?
Sure.
You can swear?
Sure.
Oh.
Why would I do that now that I'm engaged to you, waiting for our wedding day?
It is your father that you are engaged to. It is your father at home that you're getting married to. Leave my house. Come on, be going.
Please.
Hey! I said leave.
Mommy, please, hold on. Let's not
Who is
stay
your
now.
Go back to those men.
If I see you here again. Hey, Rita, what is it? Is it not you that I saw that just walked past? What cataclysm could have occurred so supersonically that you are out of the house and some few minutes to your grand entrance? Rita.
Uncle, I don't know. I don't know what came over my boyfriend. I don't know.
Who's your boyfriend?
Baby,
Who's your boyfriend?
Baby, please.
Let me see you in this house again.
Baby, please. Oh my God.
Walking God. He's the Alpha and Omega. He's the miracle walking God. Who says miracles does not come every time? Oh. What I was looking for, Sokoto, I have now found in Garimba. Under my palms. God, I'd always thought that the marginalization of my entity apparent evidence to the velocious fragments of mine was me. Was that word again? That mean of you. Yeah, but you can see my miracle is on the way. One step gone, so many to come. He's a miracle walking God. He's a miracle walking God. He's a miracle walking God. Ah, Mama! Come here, John.
Dossier. You are the man. Agent 001, you are the man. Smooth operator, you are the man. See, guy, that's how to be a player. Play out the Playerpedia rules and have no regrets. You're mounted.
No. I don't know about all of that. I feel very, very bad. I feel horrible. I mean, all these beautiful women who have done nothing wrong but just to love me. I mean, how did I get myself in this?
Yeah, see, what makes you think that these women love you? Oh, you think you're the only man in their lives? Or Degidine? See, I know how Lagos girls roll. Lagos girls, see their equation. 1 boyfriend, 2 lover boys, 3 smallies, 5 sugar daddies. Guy, shine your eye.
Hey, hold it up. Listen, you are not helping this situation at all. If you're not comfortable with his action, why not help him find plan B? Okay? I'm not in support with violence against women.
My point exactly. I can't get abusive with them. I can't. I have sisters. I have a mother. What if...
What if what? Okay, now talk. What if what? Guy, you are Dozio, the bad sharp guy on the scene. Look here, man. Shine your eye. Old soldier know they quench. Okay, if you insist. Oh yeah, bros, plan B. What's the plan now? Man up, shine your eye. Do what you have to do. Play the game, man.
Guys, I'm not sure about all that one.
What's it I talk?
Pull am, maybe make am best.
The Chris.
I'm very sorry. But I'm very sorry for what happened the last time. I honestly don't know what came over me. Maybe it's the pressure from work. I'm just insecure and I'm scared of losing you.
Sweetie.
I'm sorry.
Look at me. I love you. I love you so much. I understand everything you're going through, okay? Look, God will see you through.
Amen. I love you so much. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me. I can't imagine my life without you. Thank you for coming back. Baby, I'm really sorry about my erratic behavior the last time. It's just that there's so much going on and it's getting on my nerves.
Baby, I understand. And I know everything will be well soon.
And then, I don't know how to explain this. This is very hard for me to say. You see, my parents are threatening to disown me if I don't honor their request.
What are you talking about?
See, they just found out that you're from Kogi State. And that's a big no for them. Even after I explained to them that you've been there for me right from our university days in Houston. They're still, they gave me an ultimatum to end our affair or else they would disown me and I'll be disinherited of my father's wealth.
Dozie, do you mean what you're saying or you're just pulling my leg?
I'm serious. Do you want me to show you the text messages from my father? The ones from my mom are even worse. As we speak, my mom is on our way to this place. And I don't want any confrontation with her, so please, you know what we can do? Let's pick some other time and place to sort these things out.
Okay, let me assume that you're disillusioned at the moment. And I'll give you some time to repeat yourself tomorrow morning.
I'm not kidding.
But I thought you already told them where I come from.
Yes, I did.
And so? Then?
I told them your hometown. I told them it's in the Middle Belt area. And they just assumed it's in Suka, which is still our Igbo tribe. Now they know you're not an Igbo girl.
Baby, what has come over you? In fact, I need a drink. We'll talk about this tomorrow morning.
It's not a drink matter. don't want a hair. Mama, good afternoon, ma.
What are you doing? Hey! So you're drinking and relaxing in my son's house without anything to offer? Eh? Did ever?
Mama,
Did they ever? Eh? Oh, yeah. Get out before I come wash you out now.
Mama, please, it hasn't gotten to that point. Let's just have a quiet talk. We're like a family, please.
Who is your mother? Eh? Shameless you! For saying yourself for a man. Eh? What? Shame at
Listen.
Does
Baby, see, I think it's best you just go. You know, this is not looking good at all. I don't want your mom to be arguing. I told you she was coming, didn't I?
Tose, what's this whole drama for? What's this? So you invited me over here to embarrass me, right?
No, I invited you to apologize to you. And then I told you mama was coming.
Oh, yeah. Get out!
Sorry. Mama, it's okay, Mama, it's okay.
Dozie, so this is it. The final embarrassment.
Listen, I told you now,
Rita, my beautiful Rita. I was captured by the cacophonious chaos inside this house. That's why I stood by, so that in case my rescue skill is needed. Oh, do you want me to pragmatically talk to Dide on your behalf? On your behalf?
Thank you.
Rita, my baby. Rita, my beauty queen.
Madam, you here. You're too much. See the way you came in with fire, shouting. Even me, I was afraid. I thought you would throw me out of my house. See, here's the 20,000 naira as promised. One down, one to go. The next person down is towing. Fire!
Dozie. Anytime, you can call on Madam UK, the only iron woman.
Madam UK.
Only iron lady in town.
Iron lady. My imaginary mother. Madam UK.
Please.
Don't bother. But if you really want to help me, just help me and get a few of my stuffs in his house. I'll take them from you on your way to work.
My pleasure. Hold on, Rita. Rita, my beauty queen. You see, I don't have your digital communication arithmetic. So how do you get it from me?
Hey, Dokubo. Is it my phone? Oh my God. Dokumo, all this grammar just for a phone number?
No. Come on, go. Your work is finished.
You will not give me drink?
No. Drink from the 20,000. You will come and be gone. This girl's
Yes.
Oh. Okay, let me have it. Take care of you.
Bye-bye. You are the most beautiful creature I've ever set my eyes on. since I was begotten. One man's meat, they say, is another man's poison. Apparently, you know whose poison you have become, and I plead with thee to become my mate. I have seen you in tears about twice or more, and I am so disappointed because you are one of those few beautiful creatures in the female entity that should not be allowed to drop a single tear on bare floor except it is cooked with a golden spoon. I would like to say less and do more, but please give me the chance to prove how much my heart beats for you.
You're so funny, Ekubo. Thanks. But please, when can you help me get my load from Didi? I thought that was the plan.
Baby, I will call you now. I've told you to come. I want to take you out and treat you well like an angel that you are. Baby, give me this opportunity and then let me take you care. Forget about that man, no. The man, that man, you see, it is not going to take care of you. It is not going to take care of you. Give me, call him.
You know what? Don't bother, okay? Look, I still love my boyfriend, and come on, every relationship has its own challenges.
I'll take care of you. Provide everything you want, oh baby. Katu is talking. Katu is talking to you. Give me that chance. Let me take good care of you, Mwa.
Okay, Katsung. Any other thing? Thanks for the offer. Okay.
One, so hey, bro. It's always just the win like this, the win like that. You don't win jackpot, oh.
Katuga, I have won what is jacker than a jackpot.
Okay now.
Dying. So, is this fresh fish that's putting so much smiles on your face? Just me, baby.
Okay, fine. It's just an admirer. And a funny one.
So, who is this funny admirer?
I used to know you as an excited man, but this one is different. Oh.
Yes,
this one is the great. Oh.
Yes. What about you two?
Udo, let us go, man.
Okay, fine. I mean, you won't believe. Dozie neighbor is checking me out.
And so what? If he checks you out, you check him in.
Oh God. But guess what? He's short, fat, and ugly, but ready to spend.
Really? Wow. So let him spend. Is it your money? Is it your money, Toy? Let him spend, please. Right? Yeah, you complain too much. Let him spend. Come on.
You know you look hot.
You look hot too, baby.
I want to do something right now, so...
Are you serious? And your mom is young, so you don't blame her if you like the things you like.
I'll say that again. Oh my goodness, she thinks she's 16.
Yes, from the picture you showed me on your phone, she actually looks 16 as well. Yeah, she does.
Do you know when I want to get on her nerves, she comes to ask for my stuff, and I asked to borrow her car to go out.
You serious?
Yeah.
See, that's smart. She might like you. You're smart. You're very smart.
Are you smart?
I can't wait for our kids to have your genes.
Baby, it's getting late. Look at the time. I need to go home before my dad locks me outside, you know.
And if he locks you out now, better for me now. You know that my house is always open to you anytime.
Oh, please, I need to take my bag.
Don't go now.
Please.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Man, you guys have landed me in a roller coaster of infinite trouble. I'm caught up between my actions and my emotions.
You're not anybody. Guy, see, you need me to help you run these chicks so that you can know exactly how to be a womanizer and just get away with it.
You're right. You see, this look like movie script. If you want me to write it, I will help you and write it.
You would even make the title Womanizer Without Recession. You understand?
Hey, guys. Okay, the problem with you guys is you guys don't know when to be serious and when to joke. Okay? I love these girls. I love each and every one of them for their various functions.
Functions. Functions or instruments of confusion. Don't mix the two. Okay, I think we should put it this way. Why don't you draw out a list and narrow it down to their so-called functions?
Exactly.
Okay. Listen up. 20. 20 is the best thing that has happened to Big Man. Get it? And then Rita, on the other hand, Rita is a fly, fashionable girl. You know, the kind of girl you want to be seen in public with. The kind of girl you go to the cinemas with. Besides being my girlfriend back in university days in America. And I'm the reason she moved back to Nigeria. Now we have Olivia. Olivia, on the other hand, guys, Olivia is my heartthrob, but up till now, she never submits. And you know what they say? Body no be firewood. Between us, that girl is boring. The only thing interesting about that girl is her father's wealth. If I'm the lucky chap.
That's the part we're talking about. That's the part we're looking for. Benjamins, money. See, with all the Benjamins on your side, you can get all the Mona Lisas, all the sexy Toyins, all the gorgeous Ritas, even the Olivias that are hard to get. See, you just fall in your laps like a pack of cards. You get it? And then with all these plenty ones, you can even acquire some, join them to the league. And the Benjamins will keep doing all the talking.
I'm disappointed at you. Huh? Listen, Dozie, what happened to your conscience? After dating Rita for so long, you will make her move back to Nigeria. I just dumped her just like that.
Pay her off and then get her a first-class ticket and she should return back to America now. Look, this is as simple as it can get. What we're talking about here, we're talking about the Benjamins. Can't you smell it? Money! Money talks, BS works.
I'm very, very disappointed at you.
Decrease.
Huh? Listen, Dozie. You see, you have all the wealth. So why are you in her father's wealth?
Listen, haven't you heard the expression rich, richer, richest?
Don't see my bullshit. Thank you. See, that's the lingua. With 5 China phones, we can start a party. Let us celebrate more wealth. Benjamin. The craze. Thunder, fire your dada. Eh? Benjamin.
I miss a baby, oh. She not give me love, oh. I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Tell you. She not this be
Who you be?
Please, I'm here to say, Riri, Her Majesty.
You miss your old. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Please, I have an appointment with her. Tell her Ekubo is here. Ekubo is here.
I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go.
Riri!
You're welcome.
Oh,
You're welcome, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Riri, my beauty queen. It's my pleasure. You see, it's an honor to be in this rescue mission for you. If you give me the privilege, I'll be of more services to you. You see, you shall see the efficiency of my cardiac meticulousness to you.
Dokumo, the grammarian. Dokumo. You know, you have a good pile of words in your brain, and I'm impressed.
Oh, gracias. Gracias, my beauty queen. But you see, it's a lot doing. Is there any way that can be of more liturgy to your abode today?
Excuse me, what's the word again?
Liturgy. It means services,
Hey.
my great queen.
Hey, you too much. Thank you very much, but I don't really need anything.
Thank you.
Before you wound me with one of those your words. Excuse me.
I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Tell you. Shey na this be love, oh. I'm say, girl, you. Baby, shey na this be love, oh. Boomba, I'm a Denrele. I know go play you ojoro. With you no go borrow. My baby no sorrow. My baby chocolate. Follow me, make we elevate. I know the debate. Say, mommy got my taste. Say, you quench my hunger. Mommy with the fire. Tell you. Shey na this be love, oh. I'm say, girl, you. Baby, shey na this be love, oh. I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want to tell you. Shey na this be love, oh. I'm say, girl, you. Baby, shey na this be love, oh. Shey na this be love, oh.
Yes?
So what's the meaning of the word nikompo?
Nikompo. Nikompo is an informal word that cannot be used in a formal sentence. But it means an idiot.
Sir, what do you call a person that has no fear for the unknown?
Is a courageous, intrepid, daredevil, and adventurous person. The list is endless.
Sorry, sir, what's the meaning of the word volunteer?
Well, it's when one offers.
Free sacrifice.
So, tell me more about this carton of a guy. You already said he's so much fun to be with.
No. He's annoying. He can't even speak good English. Cut and join kind of English. And guess what? His dressing alone will put you off. Yes. I'm not... In short, I can't deal with that guy. I can't deal.
And so what, Toyin? Excuse me, Toyin. Just shut up. Excuse me.
Mimi. He's not my kind of guy. I can't even stand... I love Dozier.
Welcome back. What's up?
Just me.
Gosh, that guy is so annoying.
What again? Huh? Wow. Ah! You got this from him? Uh-huh. Of course. This is some goodie bag. Hold on. Where did you get all this from?
From him, who else?
Ah, Toyin. What's wrong with you?
I did what he said I should do. I told him when I was sick. So that's the money.
And then some mortgage. And you're still complaining about him. What's wrong with you, Toyin? Come on. Please give me his number. Let me say thank you for taking good care of my sister.
Hello?
Hello?
Who?
My name is Mimi.
You say?
Toyin's sister.
My own Tony, Abi?
Yeah, Mimi, her sister.
Oh, Mimi.
I saw all the nice things you gave to my sister and the money and everything. Thank you so much.
Don't mention, thank you too. Eh? Don't mention.
Katan, my man.
That is me, that is me.
Thank you. God bless. God bless.
You see? Oh, yeah.
What are you doing in this house? Have I not warned you not to step this your filthy foot in this house?
Oh, shut up! He's not your boyfriend. Look at you, gold digger, Miss Bone to Bone. Look at me, all sexy and juicy.
Hey, back off, you loser. He's my boyfriend. Back off this minute.
Are you? Fine, let me remind you something. My baby is done with you in America. This is Nigeria. He belongs to me, so you back off.
Excuse me.
Wait. Excuse you, where? How? Tell me how.
Hey! What's going on here? Eh? What are you doing in my house? Haven't I warned you? I'm done with you.
You heard him right?
Leave me and my girlfriend alone. Rita, please.
Okay, fine. Let me just go in there and pick up my gold necklace I hid somewhere in your house and I will leave.
Eh? Hey! I don't care if it's your goldfish you kept there. Let it die. You hear me? Leave my house.
Please, that's the only reason I actually came back here.
Without my permission, right? Rita, I am just respecting you as a woman that you are. Please!
Sorry, let
Please! You see, I just go back for more. I'm sort of conjuring if there's an SOS in here. Because the nose is so befitting from outside. Okay, Dokubo. Yeah. You see, conjure this evil spirit outside before you see SOS now. No. Please. Take it easy. Don't worry. I'll take care of her. Literally. Outside. Leave the house. Leave my house, please, and don't you ever come here again. Please.
Baby, it's fine. Okay, just leave her. All right? Oh my God.
Rubbish. It's not only gold chain.
Okay. Yeah, she goes to see, you know.
I understand.
My brothers, one down, one to go. Japanese tiba. Ọmọ Igbo shi.
No, I'm blessing you. Doze, hope this matter has been cleared for the final time. Because as I am looking at you, your life is starting to rotate on SOS. We do not like this back and forth that you are giving us.
Trust me, my brother. See, don't worry yourself. It is done. This one is a done deal.
I can see. You see, I can see you're very busy.
Yes, I've been busy, and I will keep being busy because you know Tony is a hard knock to get by, and I will keep foiling her and foiling her because that Olivia girl has still not given me the. Are you there?
Boys quarter assassin. Eh? Ha! In short, is the Peku's killer?
Yes.
The something mechanic. But you know what? You need that fuel.
Yes.
You need that fuel in your engine. So what I would suggest you do is that you hold on to Tony.
Yes.
Hold on to Tony well.
Yes, I will.
Don't let go.
My
Destroy
good
the area.
My good friend, one advice for you. Hold on to Olivia.
My best friend, you are preaching to the choir. As a matter of fact, you are preaching to the choir master. I will honor.
Let us just sing Hallelujah chorus right now.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
That's what you mean.
Cannot let you go, baby. I want you. Tell you, she not this be love, oh. I'm say, tell you, baby, she not this be love.
Hello, dogs. Thank you so much for the other day. I really appreciate. You're truly a great friend.
Please don't mention. It's my pleasure.
It's okay. Please, would you want to come over to my place or meet me up at the bar in the evening?
Please come again. I don't understand that.
I said, would you love to meet me up at the bar for a drink after work?
Really, my love. I hope you know who you called.
Of course I know. Dogs, I called you, Ekubo. Do you have a problem with that?
Please come again. No. Don't mention once again. Yes. You'll see me very soon.
Okay. Oh, this guy is so funny. First of all, I have to thank you for always being there for me. Thank you so much.
Don't mention. But it's my duty to take care of you.
Okay, that's all right. So now, you tell me more about yourself.
If you promise that you tell me about yours.
Sure, I will.
Born Dokubo Tamono. First child of all 3 boys. Loves education and teaching. My father was a village teacher. My immediate junior brother, Katung, said he would not go to school except he makes money. Then the last, Mobutu, just loves to please the world.
Hey, wow. This is awesome. What an interesting family.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Now your turn. Your turn to tell me about yourself.
Okay. Rita is just a home girl. Born in Texas, but raised in Kaduna, Nigeria. Got my first degree from Uniben.
Oh.
Yes. And then I went back for my master's degree in my hometown, Texas. And now I'm back to my motherland, Nigeria.
What a journey. Welcome back. There's no place like home.
Yeah, I know.
Do you still love Lucy?
First of all, I have to thank you for always being there for me. Thank you so much.
Don't mention. But it's my duty to take care of you.
Okay, that's all right. So now, you tell me more about yourself.
If you promise that you tell me about yours.
Sure, I will.
Born Dokubo Tamono. First child of all 3 boys. Loves education and teaching. My father was a village teacher. My immediate junior brother, Katung, said he would not go to school except he makes money. Then the last, Mobutu, just loves to please the world.
Hey, wow. This is awesome. What an interesting family.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Now your turn. Your turn to tell me about yourself.
Okay. Rita is just a home girl. Born in Texas, but raised in Kaduna, Nigeria. Got my first degree from Uniben.
Oh.
Yes. And then I went back for my master's degree in my hometown, Texas. And now I'm back to my motherland, Nigeria.
What a journey. Welcome back. There's no place like home.
Thank you. Yeah, I know.
Do you still love Lucy?
Follow me, make we elevate. I know the debate. Say, mommy got my taste. Say, you quench my hunger. Mommy, with the fire. She not this be love. I'm say, girl, yo. Baby, she not this be love. I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Baby, she not this be love.
Mobutu, I thought it would impress her. Oh my goodness. You should have seen my stone face when I saw her facial expression, hey, I felt like diving into a toilet.
Or better still, a nice part of her body. You should have known better than that, an educated teacher like you.
Hey, Maputo Seseko. Look, it's not your fault. You are not in the emotional acting that I am in. No qualms. One day, you will find yourself in my kind of emotional acting. Then you know how it feels.
Don dogs, that girl pass you. Why not go for your level?
Hey, Mobutu, you don't see me finish. You don't see me finish. This is our house. Mobutu, no problem. I promise you. Hey, I promise you. One day, Rita will be.
Hey, dreamer. Have you ever lived in a dreamland? Dreamer.
It's not your fault.
I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want.
I'm just coming from that gold digger's house. That gigolo.
Who is the gigolo? Who is that?
That gold digger. Chidozie. What? What do you mean by what? Now listen. I'm warning you. Anytime, any day I see you. Hey, shut up! Shut up and listen to me. Any day I see you with that boy.
And how did you get his address, please?
Who cares?
Who gave his address?
Who cares? Must I take the address from you? Any day I see you with that boy, I will mess you up. And I'll mess him up. Don't you know that boy is a gold digger? That boy will make you shed tears. Beg me.
Olivia, what is it? Every time I touch you, you tell me, stop. Why? Am I not your boyfriend? Am I not?
You are.
So why do you always stop us from consummating our love? I don't like it. I love you and you love me, then let's do this thing. I touch you. If you saw that man, I'm sure you will let them.
What? Did you just say that to me? Are you serious? God, that's very offensive and disrespectful. You know what? I have to leave right now.
Wait, please, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean what I said. It's just that, look, I really love you. I didn't mean what I said. Just that sometimes I'm lonely and I want us to be together like boyfriend and girlfriend. Please.
I'm sorry, but I have to leave.
Wait. Olivia, wait. Olivia, let's not into this. Olivia. I'm singing you.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to us. If you don't want this guy, they say, oh, you look like a model. No one admires me. Please give me this one. Please.
Adabu! My brother, bring her home. Bring me to Tozo as usual, eh?
You seem to be very popular here, eh?
It's like that, oh. Thank you, my brother. This will always come and hang out. Enjoy yourself, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
This well,
I want you to do me one favor. Remember the stick?
Captain.
That is me.
See if there any way you can help me, eh? Talk to your sister.
Aye! Aye! If you can do it for me, Mimilistic, I will shower your family with anything you want. Anything! This is me talking. Katon.
So, what exactly do you want me to do?
Just tell you my love. My love is big. My love is a big one. Big one. I'm serious.
Katan.
Mimilistic.
So, I'm right here with you, and you're still talking about toying. So, what if Mimi here tells you that? How about me? Katan, let me help you. Yeah. You hesitate again. So does it taste better?
Yes.
Does it taste better? Does it taste sweeter?
You can sit down. Sit down. Sit down, my love. Sit down.
Enjoy your suya.
Thank you.
Goodness. You've been so awesome.
Thank you. You know what? I know what you want. Mimilistic.
Katan.
Mimilistic. Mimilistic.
Katan. Don Katan.
Look at me. Mimilistic to me.
Wow!
Mimilistic.
This is a lot of money. Hold on. So, is this for me or for my sister? Or...
Both of you.
Wow, you're so sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, what is the price? Oh, come on. Come here. Come here. I'm just scared.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, okay. Bye.
Hey. I don't get a lot. So do we. I don't get a lot. God do we. No. God do we. Oh my goodness. I just got a check from him. What do you see there, sis? Thank you so much for this handover, boyfriend. Thank you. Love you so much for this.
It's a pleasure, bro. Just to me, how did it go? Like, was it very resistant? Is it really interested?
I don't need him to be interested with guys like this. You just have to force that love on them. Trust me.
Wow.
Yeah. But you were right. He was a little bit annoyed. But I think I like him though. Yeah.
You know, I'm glad you came back with some change, but sis, just gist me. What happened? Like, I want to know. Is he really interested? Like,
too many questions, Toyin. Please. You know what? Leave that for Mimi. Mimi's gonna work her miracles on him. She's really crazy, man. I know that. I'm learning from
I saw Chukwu dossier, my son. My princess here has told us much about you. So we decided to meet with you. That was why we invited you to at least see who you are, what you look like, what you do for a living, where you come from, and who's your father. You know, all those kind of things.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, man, for inviting me to your beautiful home. Like I said, my name is Chukwu Dozie Okeke. I'm from Umunnam village in Apokwa, in Imo State. Yes, my father's name is Chukwu Dozie Henry Okeke. He was a naval officer before he passed.
think I've met him.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I recently got back from the States where I bagged a master's degree.
Oh.
Yes, sir. From a Texas university, a reputable Texas university. Yes, sir. So I'm back home now to set up my own IT firm. I'm just trying to, to gather momentum.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Nice to know you, well, as you can see, we are just meeting for the first time, and will allow us to deliberate, and well, we'll get back to you.
Yes.
Yes. You can see him off, but don't waste time. Just come back. We need to talk.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Chuku.
Darling, did you see his DSC?
Just imagine. Mark of irresponsibility. How can he be doing such a thing? Tomorrow night he will pierce his nose.
Of course. I don't know what my daughter has seen in this man.
You can obtain any degree from anywhere and come here and tell us that you are IT specialist. And you see, what kind of person is he?
What's up, boy?
Olivia. Olivia.
Sir?
Olivia Day.
Yes, Daddy.
Now listen, I am your father.
Yes, Daddy.
And I want what is good for you. That I cannot continue to massage your emotions. I'm going to tell it to you straight. Henceforth, you are going to cut off every deal you have with that creature.
Daddy.
Hey, quiet. Shut up.
He is not a serious person.
At all.
And he's not the right guy for you.
Hey, quiet.
Oh, you thought you could deceive me by his charming personality and calm demeanor? Oh, no, Olivia. No. I can see beyond the agbadas and the fine suits.
Your father has seen and done all that. Listen to your father. Stand up. Come back here. Come back here. What's wrong with you? Obey your father. Listen to your father.
She doesn't have to trust my words. She only has to obey me, or I will disown her.
No, darling. It has been come. Shut up.
I love him.
Can you imagine children of nowadays? Chief Onyema's son has been coming here for ages, seeking your hands in marriage, and you said you don't like him.
I love him.
Can you hear that?
Shut up.
My friends, my honorable friends of power and influence have been coming here with their sons to marry you. Professor Tamuno and Sariki, Honorable
I don't love him.
And she says she doesn't love them. Only to come back with that.
Don't mama me.
To come back with that riffraff that says he's an IT specialist.
IT indeed.
Is he Bill Gates or Zuckerberg? Tell me.
Your father knows all these things. Trust your father, my daughter. Believe him. This boy will bring tears to your eyes.
No, Mommy, he's not like that.
He's not like that.
Now, you leave my presence. Get out of my presence. And don't ever mention that boy's name again.
Go.
In my house.
Go.
I detest him. I don't like him, period.
You want
Can you imagine?
What's up, boy? Yeah, what's up?
Did you see? He pierces his ears.
I saw it.
Next time he will pierce his nose.
Only remove it in break. I'm sorry for what happened. Whatever I did it for your own good. That guy is a bad boy. He's a gigolo. He will make you weep. If you doubt me, investigate him. Okay. You'll be shocked. What I did today was to save you from heartache.
I give you 3 months, that boy will break your heart. You'll be heartbroken. Believe me. Just investigating. Okay? I didn't mean to hurt you. I did it for your own good. Okay? Mommy loves you. You know I care. We love you so much, okay?
Thank you.
Oh my God. Okay, let me go and sleep. Catch a sleep, alright?
Good night.
Good night. Okay.
Sis, of say you know they go out with that guy. If you dey go out with that guy, you better stop her now. Because that guy not suit you.
What is wrong with you? Why don't you just understand that I love him? He has swept me off my feet. Right now as it is, I'm confused.
You are confused? How can you be confused? You are confused. Abi, the guy don't jazz you.
Hey.
And Lagos with this so.
Ufoma, I thought you're wiser than this. What does jazz got to do with this? There are so many gigolos in Lagos that I know, but he's not one of them. That man is just an innocent teacher who is contented with his job. He's comfortable living with his wealthy younger brother.
Oh my God. Sis, you dey hear yourself? Living with his younger brother. As he big like that so. Ha! This thing is getting worse. Ah, this is not a try at all.
Really, my lord?
Who's your love?
Is me your hero?
Hero?
Don Dox.
Don Dox. Who is your love? Stay away from my sister because I will vanish you for this Lagos.
Mind your business. Stay away from my business.
No way. Your business is my business.
No.
Yes.
What is wrong with you ladies?
Don Dox, just go. Let me just sort things out with this little witch. Just go.
What is wrong with you girls? Eh? Really, my love? You're sending me away because of your sister. Okay? See, let me just tell you. Love me now or never. Goodbye.
You calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down.
Talk to me now. Talk to me now. What happened?
Leave me alone for now. Leave me alone.
Talk to me now. We are Europe. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, Rita, huh? I see. I warned you about Rita Dox. I warned you. Huh? I told you I warned you about that girl. You wouldn't listen. I talked to you. Come, I warned you.
Dokubo, please, I'm sorry for yesterday. I'm so sorry. Please. Dokubo, I'm really sorry about yesterday. Please, I'm really sorry. I said I'm sorry. Can I have a minute of your time to talk to you, please? Just come. Come, let's talk. Please now, let's talk. Dokubo, I said this. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. You know I care for you. That's why I have to come down to your school to talk to you. Please. It's okay. Now, get into the car. Let's go and talk. Get into the car now. Please. Get into the car. Inside the car.
Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you.
Tell me, who the hell do you think you are? It's so impossible to please you. When I cook, it doesn't taste well. When I sleep, didn't I snore? When I iron your shirt, no, it's not well stretched, right? Even when we make love, damn it!
Hey! You are who make love. Look, never again. Do you hear me? Never again. Leave my house.
Yes. Leave him. Let me remind you. Do you know how many rich men they're waiting to welcome me and to spoil me and treat me
Go
right?
and meet them. Yes. Go and meet the rich men. Go. Let them spoil you. Look at you. You're happy. Rich men. Go and meet them. Leave my house.
No. Don't you try it. Don't you raise your nasty finger on me. Look at you. Good for nothing, Mr. Shaman. Fine boy for nothing. You know what? Just get out of my face. Get out of my life.
Leave my house.
You beg me.
Never again.
You would come begging.
Oh.
And guess what? It will be too late for you.
Never again. I guarantee you, I would never come back again. Can you please go? Leave! Get out!
I need to go and pack my things and
Go and pack your things! Go and pack it!
I'm leaving!
Go!
Wait.
Just leave here.
No, I'm leaving!
Adebaba, thank you for coming. Adebaba, but you're too much, oh. You are too much. The chief strategist, women affair, commissioner, women central intelligence.
Guilty as charged. Those days, oh my gosh. See, I have always told you that you must abide by the 13th commandment of the Player. Thou shalt follow the steps of Adebola Makonjola, and your movement shall be the rest of your life.
I will abide.
You must.
I will abide. Yes, boss.
No, you are the bigger boss. No matter of fact, you are the biggest boss. No. Now you they run this town like run town. Mr. Rititi.
Ah, my brother. You see, now that we have Tony out of our way, I can now focus my time and energy on Her Royal Majesty, Queen Olivia.
We've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. See, the next line of action is to proceed from the after party to the hotel lobby and into the
my brother.
on the permanent side.
My brother, the last time I tried to move from the after party to the hotel lobby.
Sean Shirin. Omo, she must stop Shebeo. See, make you no let Cobweb build mansion for her boys' quarter. It's going to happen. I see it. I can see it already. It's going to happen. Those guys are saying amen.
Amen.
Amen to that. Doze, I'm my bush. Let me let you know. I gotta run, Jerry. Oh shit. Okay? Later, bro.
All right then, bro.
I'll be praying for you. This what happened, though. And you can record the first thing.
I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Tell you. She not this be love, oh. I'm saying, girl, you. Baby, she not this be love, oh. Boomba, I'm out and I do. I know what play you ojoro. With me you no go borrow. Baby no sorrow. My baby chocolate. Follow me make we elevate. I I know the debate. Oh. Say, mommy got my taste. Oh. Say, you quench my hunger, hunger, hunger. Mommy, you the fire, fire, fire. Tell you, she not this be love. Oh. I'm say, girl, you, baby, she not this be love. Oh. Soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Girl, you. She not this be love. I'm say, girl, you. Baby, not this be love.
Yeah, you come. Now you can enjoy me. Enjoy me, my brother.
I've been looking forward to this.
Baby, you can enjoy me.
Queenly reception.
My love. My baby, stick me. My baby, stick me. Let me show you the way you do. Sure. My memeology. Mimi, sick me.
You go first. You go first.
Why you're mine? Why you're mine? Me, I love. My miss, baby, love you. Hey, my melody. That is why you're always there for me. This is for the woman. Let me go for this one. Yeah? My mini. Hey! Who is that? Son! God! What is this? Huh? You see what? Sonny, where is my eye here? Where is the eye? I said, where is my eye?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry what? Last time, it was my ear. Eh? What have I done wrong here? Last time it was my ear. Now it is my eye. Eh? Oh, Sonny. I know the next time will be the tongue. And anytime I come here, I discover that I did not see the tongue. I will use the own, I'll cut it. I will cut it. And I will eat it. Get away here! Come. Where is this? Go! Wait! My eye is lost. Now I remember. Last time you said you want to have a house.
Oh yeah, the house rent I talked about. Actually need to get my own place. Yes, baby. I already told you.
My memeology, now I can do anything for you.
I know.
My memeology.
I know.
Hold on.
Really?
Oh my.
Do you need help? It's taking so long.
It's just I want to spoil my.
Do you need my help? I don't want you to stay
Don't
in
bother.
jacket. Okay.
Baby, this is the check of ₦500,000.
Mine?
Yeah, you can have it.
Oh my goodness! Oh! My biology! My energy!
That is me, aka Cartoon. aka Cartoon. Momentum.
Everything!
I will do anything for you. My biology. Oh, my biology. Oh!
I'm saying baby, she not this be love. Boomba, I'm a ten I do. I know go play you ojoro. With you no go borrow. Baby no sorrow. My baby chocolate. What do you make we elevate? I'm a baby date. Say mommy got my taste. Say you want my hunger.
500,000 naira check. Just like that. No sex, no kissing, nothing. Miracles do happen. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. Oh God. Oh, yes. Sorry? Sorry, baby. Are you okay? We need to talk. Talk. I'm tired. Can we talk tomorrow?
No. We need to talk now. In fact, Mimi, I want you to stop saying Katong.
What happened?
He was my boyfriend first if I give him to you. So right now, I want him back.
I thought you said you're not interested.
Oh, well, now I'm very, very much interested. You know I have nobody and the useless dossier is no longer in my life. So I need someone in my life. So I want him back. I gave him to you. All right? So you want him back. And that's final. Rubbish.
This be love, oh. I miss you, baby, oh.
Enough of this, your pop nose. Enough of it. How dare you tell me what is good for me? Mind your business, or else I will throw you out of my house. Sis, you know they see that man? You know they see a big belly? If they touch this your skin, you not too not fit at all. Ufoma, I think something is not right with your head. Oh, that. Something is not right with my head or your head. I said enough. You this little brat, enough. I still remain your elder sister. I know that. You don't choose for me. I know what is good for me. So, take your time. Sister, now only me go fit advise you because we'll be the same blood. I'm not going to tell you lie. That man is zero. You and that man, we're not going to go anywhere. Ufoma, enough. Enough of that. He's my boyfriend you just talked about now. Do you know that? Boyfriend? Ufoma, enough. If they told this your friends, you know you see yourself, sis. From look your head to your toe, and can't look the man. What is it? Ufoma, why are you this mean? Why discriminate people because of their look? Why? This one not fit you. If this one fit you, I will tell you. Why? Sis, this one not fit you. Ufoma, I will tell you, this man has shown me love. Show you? He's caring. He's passionate, Ufoma. Ufoma, why are you doing this? What's wrong with you? The more you say bad things about him, the more I deeply fall for him. Oh my God. Ufoma, please. Something is wrong with you. Ufoma, you need deliverance. I'll go tell Mama, you need deliverance because this one, I'm not stressing the MTR. Me, personally, I'll go fast and pray for you. Allow me to love him now or never. Oh, you did not cry, you did cry, so. She again, my sis, they cry for big belly, ugly leg, cane leg. Ha! I never see. Now let God do. Where for cashew? Never will allow you to play with that man.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you.
Please marry me. I want you to be the essential focal point of my life. Please, my love. Please, love me now or never. Will you marry me?
Yes, Ekubo, I will. I will. You brought so much happiness into my life.
I know go play you ojoro. With you no go borrow. Baby no sorrow. My baby chocolate.
Sis,
Follow me, make we elevate.
sincerely, I apologize for everything I did. For the humiliation, the insults, everything. Please. Please, sister, please. I'm deeply sorry. Please, forgive me.
It's all good, sis. I'm ready to let go. Listen, sis. It was gonna be a big shame that we fell apart just because of a man.
Yes, sis, I thought so also, and you know what, sis? I wish you well with Katan. I'm happy for both of you. Like, yes.
Really? Ah. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
And I have a good news. So I.
Tell me.
Okay, I'll tell you, sis. I'm so happy. I finally found someone special. Sis, this guy is everything, like his personality, and guess what? I'm getting married. I'm getting married soon.
Wow, that's awesome, sis.
Yes.
That's awesome. Wow. Congrats, sis. I can't wait. You see, I told you, sis. God will wipe away your tears.
Yes, he just did.
Wow.
I'm
so happy.
I missed you. I'm sorry for everything.
It's all good. Love you so much.
Love you more.
I've messed up. I've messed up. This is a shame.
I warned you. Stop. Why are you acting strange? Acting strange, sir. I thought we've talked over this. Talk about what? Eh? Huh? What is wrong with you? Nothing is wrong with me. Sis, look at that man you are with. That big belly man. Why is that? And he engaged you and you accept it. Is that not so? What are you disturbing me for? Let him be going now.
That's your problem. What is it? Eh? Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to the village.
You're going to the village?
Yes.
Look at you. Always running back to the village.
I don't want to see that man. No. Make I leave you and two people that they enjoy their life.
Make I see how far you want to leave.
I go leave.
Going back to the village.
I'm
this
leaving.
same village that has made you can't speak one good sentence in English language.
I like it
Fine.
like that.
I am
like
an
it.
adult.
I like
I
it.
choose what is good for me.
Move
Suit yourself.
See,
Good luck. Good luck. Suit yourself.
Yes, baby.
Just go. What's the meaning of this one? Eh? I can't have peace in my own house.
Why are you not returning my calls or replying my messages? Eh? Why? What is wrong? That's why I've come, so we can sort this out.
Sort what? Really? Dozier? Sort what? Not anymore.
Tony, please. I'm sorry. I love you. Please. I know we can sort this out. Please.
What's happening here now?
Adebola.
Emi Mani.
Adebola.
It's me. Shine your eye. You see, when you do not take good care of what you have, what are friends for? We will help you take care of it. This is love and sharing.
No, wait. No, sorry. Wait. You guys know each other?
Before you judge me, make sure you Google yourself. Toyin, my tangerine, let's move. Matter of fact, you know what? I am tired of driving this car. It's all yours. Babe, take it. Take it outside, take it inside.
Baby, you mean this is my car?
It's all yours.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love you. Baby, I love you so much. Oh my god.
I can feel it in my soul. Girl, I can feel you in my soul. Cannot let you go. Baby, I want you. Tell you. She not this be love, oh. I'm saying, girl, you. Baby, she not this be love, oh. Boomba, I'm out and I do it. I know go play you ojoro. With me you no go borrow. Baby no sorrow. My baby chocolate, follow me make we elevate. I know the debate. Say mommy got my taste. Say you quench my hunger. Mommy need the fire. Hello. She not this be love, oh. I'm saying hello. Baby, she not this be love, oh.
I thought I was a player. Ended up playing myself. Good dossier. Who's the loser now? Because of my greed,
and listening to stupid advices from friends. I should have known better. And I should have done better. I've learnt my lesson.
Follow me, make we elevate. I know the